It's very wet. Ah! Hi everyone, this is Emelie from Emelie's Outdoor Adventure. My channel was formerly known as Emelie Learning Bushcraft. And I'm going to try to learn some bushcraft today. I'm actually going to try to make a fire in rain. I never done that, and it seemed like a very good idea when I woke up this morning. Now it's raining even more, and I can't say I'm wet. No, that's... Okay, it's very wet out here, and well, I'm going to collect some resin first, and then some tinder, and then some wood, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. Trial and error with Emelie. So here I am with my resin tree. It's quite a lot of resin on it, isn't it? Look. Well, I'm glad my phone is waterproof. Anyway, time to collect some resin. Okay, I think I will make my fire in there. At least there is some shelter. First of all, I need to find some really small sticks that are dry. I will probably, if I find any, I will put them in my bag. Let's go down here and have a little look. Well, maybe in here. I think I found something that looks dry. Yeah. And you can hear the little snap. I will take this. Oh! Woohoo! It's dry! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, this is perfect. So now I have to find some bigger woods or branches to collect some more, well, wood. I'm sorry, I'm a bit confused right now. It's so wet out here. I have my axe and my saw with me, so I'm trying to find something I can use. It's just that in Sweden you're not allowed to just cut down a tree. That's against the law. So I have to find something that's dead and not too close to the ground. And hopefully that's dry inside. Oh, here we have something that's dead. I guess it's very wet, but maybe it's not wet all the way through. But this looks dry, doesn't it? It smells nice too. Okay. Well, now I just have to cut all this. God, it's really wet. And now it starts to rain even more. Woohoo! Oh, should I put you then? Okay, this was not very wet or dry. Now I'm going to see if I can find somewhere to make a fire. I don't have a tarp with me, because I thought it would be fun to try without. Okay, I need tinder too. I'm not sure how dry this bark is. Maybe on the other side of it. Oh yeah, this. Put you in my pocket. So, here is my resin. I found a lot, which I'm going to try to use. Pieces of wood, and I need them dry, and they are dry on the inside. I just don't want to cut myself. Well, okay, I know I don't have the best technique, but hey, I'm trying to learn this. We are all children in the beginning. It looks dry. That's something. So now I have some wood. I'm trying to put it under my bag so it won't get so wet. But now to the tricky part, to actually get some kind of spark and... Oh, I'm sorry. God, I have dirt on my camera. Now I'm going to try to make a fire. I'm a bit skeptical, but well, I think it will work. Perhaps. I'm going to use a fire steel. Yeah, I know it might not be the best thing to use when it's raining, but I will try. And look, pencil sharpener. You know, I learned that from Arctic Wolf when I was in Norway. Look. I can show you, it's not raining so heavily right now. Look. Okay, I did find some birch bark, which was a little bit dry at least. So I'm going to try to fluff that up. I have it here. But it's, as you can see, this is wet too. Well, everything is wet. And yeah, well, we'll see if I can get this to work. I'm not so sure, but hey, I have to try. I'm using my morakniv. Oh, first we can. Oh wow, oh god. How did I do that? Oh, no. Oh no, no. And this is so typical me, I always... No, 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 please don't die, I know it's wet. Oh, come on. Oh, no, 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 no. Everything is so... Yeah, everything is wet. Okay. Well, it's a very good fire steel, I can say that. But you saw, it was a flame. That's the whole point, making a fire when it's wet. Yeah, well. Well, I wasn't prepared enough. And now my pencil sharpener broke. Well, this looks like a fluffy, cute little pile of things. Okay, I totally forgot I was I was supposed to use my resin too. Okay, this is what happens when I get too focused. I'm sorry, I'm going to use my resin too. How could I forget this? I have a lot. I could put it there too. Oops. Please, please work this time. I so want this fire to start. Ow, ow, ow. Ay. Okay. And there you have the resin. Okay, now the resin is burning at least. And I have a lot of it, so. Well, okay. I think I could make a fire out of this. I have a lot of resin in it, so I guess that was the trick. I totally forgot to use it in the beginning. I'm sorry. I was a bit too eager to start this fire. I think I succeeded. It was very tricky. And please don't forget the resin if you're doing this. And I know there's a lot of other way to start a fire if you're out. You can use Vaseline and cotton and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to try to just use whatever you find in the nature. And I think it went very well. But I was a bit lucky because it's not raining so much right now. When I was collecting the fire or the tinder and the wood, it was a lot of rain. So I realized I have to go out and collect tinder when it's dry, so I have lots of that for my next videos. I know I haven't been out so much in the woods lately because, you know, it's a fire ban in Sweden during summer and I love to make fires. So I've been doing other stuff and okay. But I will continue to try to learn this bushcraft survival thing. And I hope you will join me because I will continue with this during the autumn and the winter here in Sweden. But look, I managed to. I'm so proud of myself. Well, I guess it's burning now. Or as we say in Swedish, det tar sig, sa han med eld i håret. I'm on fire, said the guy with fire in his hair. Or I'm hot, said the man with fire in his hair, or I don't know how to translate it really. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye, little fire.